Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go to the homework answers. We're going to do numbers 4, 17, and 20 together. It's like a little bit of everything. All right, so first off, number 14, we are going to first multiply the constant. Oops, the constant has to be multiplied by the leading coefficient. So once we have that, we have x squared plus 19x minus 20. Now think about it. Our last sign is negative. So what does that tell us about the signs? Well, whenever we are multiplying to a negative, that means we need different signs. All right, so I make my two bubbles. I know I'm going to have one positive and one negative. Since the first sign is positive, my first bubble is going to be positive. So we're just filling in what we know. Now, since the signs are different, we're looking for things that subtract to 19. So what factors of negative 20 or 20 are going to subtract to 19? Well, let's take a look. So 20, we have 20 and 1. Would 20 and 1 subtract to 19? Yes. So bigger number comes first, like this. Alrighty, now we need to divide out that original leading coefficient, and then we're going to bottoms up. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 1 divided by 5 does not go in evenly, so we're going to bottoms up. 5x minus 1. So that is your first one. Second one, we're going to multiply 8 times negative 9 this time. So we have x squared minus 6x minus 72. Okay, double bubble. Last sign is negative, so again we're going to have different signs. All right, our first sign is going to be negative. All right, so since they're different, we're going to see what will subtract to 6. What factors of 72 are going to subtract to 6? So 72, we have 72 and 1. We have 2 and 36. We have 3 and 24. Nothing is really coming to 6. We have 4 and, I had to check on that, 4 and 18. We have not 5, but 6 and 12. Oh, 6 and 12. That works. So the bigger number comes first, 12 and 6. Now let's just verify. Negative 12 times positive 6, that is negative 72. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6, so that works. All right, and last but not least, on the bottom here, we have 3 times 12, x squared plus 13x plus 36. Last sign is positive, so that's the same signs. Both signs are going to be positive. All right, so since they're the same signs, we want to see what's going to add to 13 this time. So we have 36, 36 and 1, 18 and 2, 3 and, I don't know, 12. Nothing is really going to what we want. The next one, 4 and 9. Yes, that works because 9 plus 4 is 13. Last step, we're going to take that leading coefficient and divide it out. All right. So we have x plus 3 and 3x plus 4. Now, I think we have to go back to number 17 because we forgot something. If you were to FOIL this, double distribute, you would get your leading coefficient of x squared. That's not what we want. We forgot to bottoms up. So we have to divide by 8. Now, these fractions, you have to reduce them first. X minus 12 over 8 will be divided by 4 divided by 4. This is going to be 3 over 2. Remember, this is math, enter, enter, right? And then this is going to be x plus 3 over 4. Now that you've simplified, now you can bottoms up. So this should be your final answer. So you watch to the end. All right. All right. That's that. I hope you guys have a great night, and that's all I have for you.